showing you guys 10 curly back to school hairstyles. So yeah, please keep watching because hairstyle number 10 is actually one of my favorites. So I need you guys to see that. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Mikimolly. I do videos on fashion, hair, and lifestyle. So if you're into any of those topics, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, thank you for coming back to my channel. I hope you like this video and leave a like so that I can know that you like videos like this and I should keep doing videos like this. And also let me know which hairstyle is your favorite down in the comment section because, you know, a girl needs to know. I need to know.
Okay, so for hairstyle number 1, first I will be taking a ponytail holder and pulling some of my hair back into a ponytail. And I only wrap it once and then I try and fluff my hair so that it looks more full and just more voluminous. Next, I go ahead and I take a hairpin and pull the front portion of my hair to the back and pin it right there. And it just gives a look like a swoop, and I think it's just super cute. I just really like that. Okay, so like my favorite thing about this hairstyle is that I only pull the ponytail holder through once, so my head is really comfortable and it's not tight and pulling at my scalp. I feel like low manipulation hairstyles like this are great for hair growth and especially for school because you don't want your hair pulled too tight, because how are you going to learn if your head is uncomfortable? Like, that doesn't make any sense. So I just feel like this is a great hairstyle for school. Okay, so now time for hairstyle number 2. First, I am taking the hairpin out from the back and taking out the ponytail holder. For this hairstyle, I'll be putting all my hair up into a ponytail. This is a great everyday hairstyle if you are someone like me who hates having your hair in your face, especially in the summertime where it's so hot that it doesn't even make sense. Okay, so for this hairstyle, you might need 2 ponytail holders because I usually just use my first one as like a little test drive to get my hair up, and then use the second ponytail holder to really get things going and have the ponytail looking a bit more put together. Yeah, I then take my argan oil eco styler gel and shape my edges like I always do. Then I just fluff my hair just a little bit more. I really like this hairstyle because the hair is completely out of my face and it's really quick and easy, and it's pretty cute too. I like this hairstyle. I like it. Okay, so now for hairstyle number 3, I am just taking the ponytail holder out and pulling my hair back down. This hairstyle is for my girls out there that still can't do a braid to save their lives. I already know about y'all because I used to be one of y'all. So I just make a quick little part and twist the hair on my scalp, and then I just go ahead and secure that with a bobby pin at the back, and then we're basically all done. So this hairstyle gets finished in seconds. I really like this hairstyle because it's super quick and easy, and you get the illusion of your hair being braided to the scalp even if you can't really braid, and that's okay because you can get the hairstyle, you can get the look, okay honey? Like, you can get the look without having to learn the skills, and that's all we need. So I really like this hairstyle. Okay, so now for hairstyle number 4. Hairstyle number 4 is basically a continuation of hairstyle number 3. So first you just pull the other front portion and twist it to the scalp and pin the remainder of the hair to the back, and bam, you're all done. Okay, so I don't really have much to add about hairstyle number 4 because it's so similar to hairstyle number 3. But I do love this hairstyle and I do think it's really cute, and it keeps your hair out your face while kind of still framing your face. So I really like that. about this hairstyle. Okay, so now for hairstyle number 5. For hairstyle number 5, I'm just taking out the bobby pins that I had in prior and taking down these illusion braids that I had and getting my hair all fluffed out. So y'all gonna be mad at me for hairstyle number 5 because hairstyle number 5 is really just this. This is hairstyle number 5. It's just my hair basically in a kind of stretched wash and go or whatever this is at this point. I don't even know. But yeah, I really like this and I think it's super fluffy and cute, and I think, yeah, y'all need to get into this one. Okay, so now for hairstyle number 6. Hairstyle number 6, I'll be using one of my many headbands, and I love these so much. I'm literally always wearing a headband. Like, if you look on my Instagram, I basically wear a headband for every outfit. I got these headbands from Amazon, and I have them in a lot of different colors, which I love. So yeah, this is hairstyle number 6. Okay, so for hairstyle number 7, I am taking out my headband and attempting to create a middle part. If you aren't new to my channel, you already know I don't have the best parting skills, so we're not gonna be looking at it too hard, you know. We're just gonna close our eyes a little bit. Okay, so for hairstyle number 7, this one is for my girls that actually know how to braid. So I will be braiding both sides of my hair. Then I will be pulling my hair back into a low ponytail. This hairstyle is so cute and it has like a little professional vibe to it as well. So yeah, this is hairstyle number 7. Okay, so for hairstyle number 8, I just remove the ponytail holder and pin the braids more in the middle of my head so they're hidden under my hair. And yeah, basically that's it. That is hairstyle number 8. Finally, we are at hairstyle number 9. Okay, so hairstyle number 9 is basically a continuation of hairstyle number 8. So with this hairstyle, we will be creating a half up, half down look. So I just use a ponytail holder to get all that together. Then I wrap the hair into a little bun and use a bobby pin to secure it. I don't know, I always feel like my head looks a little bit weird with half up, half down hairstyles, but I really do like this one. I think it's really cute, and yeah, this is hairstyle number 9. Okay, so we are finally at hairstyle number 10. Okay, so for hairstyle number 10, I will be doing space buns. You will need 2 ponytail holders. So first, for this hairstyle, I just try to do a ghetto part with my fingers down the middle of my head. Then I proceed to make a ponytail with both sides of my hair. I then make a bun with both ponytails. and I just secure those buns with some bobby pins, and that is literally it. It's so easy. I think space buns are so cute and girly, and I know that they're a big kitty, like for kids, but I still think they're the cutest little hairstyle ever. So yeah, this is hairstyle number 10.
Thanks for watching my video to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. But yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye!